Hello, today we are making coconut milkshake from scratch. Here's how to make it. In most recipes, ice cream is used often when making milkshake, but instead we are going to use 1 cup of ice cubes. Process them until shredded into little pieces. Next, pour 100 ml of chilled heavy cream and beat until stiffens. Use the cream right out of the fridge because otherwise you will lose the texture and cream will be broken. When you see little peaks are forming, add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then beat some more until peaks are much more apparent to the eye. Stop at this point because over-whipping would break the cream. This process should last for 1 to 2 minutes tops. Spare some whipped cream for topping. Add shredded ice into the whipped cream and add 150 ml of coconut milk in. Blend them until all comes together. Serve the milkshake with whipped cream on top, and preferably you can sprinkle some coconut chips on as well. This drink will take you to the shores of Hawaii with just 1 sip. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. And tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.